Howdy y'all, it's Second Fiddle again, and I haven't made a video in the past 2 weeks. So, I'm gonna fix that today, and I'm gonna do something different. Since I finally remembered to charge my iPad, I now have my iPhone, and that means I can use the metronome on it. Actually, I have another metronome that I can clip onto things, but it's really, really hard to set up and get change. And this one, not only can you change, you can, from the time signature and everything, you can also say, like, where the stresses are. And not only that, you can also save configurations and stuff like that for, this is one of the songs that I was learning how to play, that Dragon, I think that Dragon Slayer thing I tried showing y'all a long time ago, but yeah, you can save it, and then you can just go back to normal 4/4 time, and, no, I don't wanna, go away. I want 4/4 time back, go away, no. Anyway, and also, if you're not sure what the actual, if you're trying to figure out a song and you don't know exactly what the tempo is, you can go, you can tap out the beat and it will calculate it for you. So it's actually really cool. And unfortunately, my speaker on my iPhone is not that loud, so when I'm playing, I can't actually really hear. So when I actually get to, since I'm gonna play Angelina Baker here in a minute, I'm actually gonna see if I do that instead of headphones instead. Someone gave me a play along track for Angelina Baker, and thank you very much for that. I haven't really worked with it yet for the exact same reason I don't use this metronome as much as I want to, because I even tried it on my laptop, and my laptop at maximum volume does not, and with the play along track at maximum volume will not, it gets completely overpowered when I'm have this up here. So I haven't used that as much as I want to, but thank you for linking me that was very useful. I have used it a few times, and it has helped. I can't actually, no, I haven't used enough for it to help, but I do appreciate that that, and I did like playing along with it the like 2 times I tried before giving up because speakers on my laptop. I really just need a new laptop. It's 7 years old now, and I can't. It's starting to not be able to run things, and my video editing software that I have on there, when I'm recording video, I don't record video on that very much because for some odd reason it didn't used to do it, and my friend tried to figure out why it's not doing it, and what he didn't end up helping. Is I'll be talking, and then slowly throughout the video will get out of sync, and I've tried tanking. I've tried, getting rid of background processes and all that stuff, and it still doesn't do it, so, I don't know why. Anyway, I'm gonna play Angelina Baker, as per the usual, Angelina Baker, Old Joe Clark, Rose of Sharon Waltz, and, something I tend to do when I'm practicing is, I will if I'm trying to learn a new song, if I make a mistake and it sounds like another song, I will just continue playing that other song instead of the one that I did because, hey, I'm picking out another song that I wanted to learn anyway. Like, I don't know what I was working on, but it turned into Fly Me to the Moon. Frank Sinatra. And then, there's this one song from this anime I was and wanting to learn, and decided, hey, why not? I'm gonna try that, and I got to, like, there's one part of the song, and then it just turned into another song from a completely unrelated video game that just happened to have the two-note overlap to it. So I will be playing that one. It is, the song is from the game Chrono Trigger, and it is the theme from the character Frog, because he's a giant frog. Actually, no, he's been turned into a frog by an evil curse type of a thing. And no, it is not fixed by kissing apprentices or anything like that. Anyway, I'm gonna... Let's see, I'll just do one here and see how it works. And one and two. Let's go for 120. And I'll see if I can not do this without pulling this out of my ear. haven't worked with that one to that drum at all. I just realized you couldn't really see anything on that, did you? Well, I have been working on my bowing and trying not to use my shoulder, and I'm too busy looking at my fiddle to look at the video going on to see I am. So please, if you have any and all critique, I do appreciate and I do take into consideration. Be blunt, be completely honest. Anything helps. I want to get good at this, and I understand that there's a whole lot of people on here that are a whole lot better than me, and I welcome any and all criticism. So, as long as it's not "you suck." But I haven't gotten that on here, and I don't think anyone on here does that. So, thank you very much for everything, all the help that y'all given me so far. Next week I will have another video on time. You can punch me in the head if I don't. No, not really. That was a joke. Anyway, this has been Second Fiddle. Have a great week, y'all.